Civil Service Exam Review. General Information. Number 1. What form of the government does the Philippines adopt? A. Republican. B. Democratic. C. Neither A nor B. D. Both A and B. Number 2. Who among the following may issue a warrant of arrest or a search warrant? A. A senator. B. A judge. C. A congressman. D. The president. Number 3. A foreigner may acquire Filipino citizenship through blank. A. Naturalization. B. Extradition. C. Rebirth. D. Visa application. Number 4. The power of the state to take properties for the purpose of public use upon payment of just compensation is blank. A. Power to impeach. B. Power of taxation. C. Power of eminent domain. D. Police power. Number 5. The term of office of the President and Vice President of the Philippines shall be up to how many years? A. 3 years. B. 6 years. C. 4 years. D. 5 years. Nakuha mo ba lahat, Kapantas? Follow for more.